so excited to have our dear friend Grace Derocha back over here to talk all things health and nutrition. She is the national spokesperson for the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, a dietitian, diabetes educator, all of the things. And today we're talking about healthy breakfasts.
Yeah, so funny
Yes.
and ironic, National Cooking Day and Better Breakfast Day happen to land on the same day.
Well, who did that?
And I feel like it's a perfect conversation to talk about trying to cook at home, trying to be the driver of the process of what you're putting into the body and what that looks like, and definitely tying in that breakfast component.
Because it's hard.
It is.
It's hard to be able to get something good in your body as you're all running out the door and trying to get things done.
Yeah, and what we know, studies show better breakfast and having breakfast consistently shows us that there's decreased obesity later down the road, decreased risk for heart disease, and decreased risk for type 2 diabetes.
Okay, but we're not talking going out and getting some donuts for breakfast.
Right. Yeah, and that's why I feel like these 2 days are meant to be paired together.
Exactly, right?
You know, and cooking at home is not always easy.
No.
There's a lot of things you have to take into account, like inventory of what you have now, trying to plan, when do you have time to do it, trying to budget, trying to go to the grocery store.
Making something that everyone will eat.
Yeah, ding ding.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So really, what I like to say to people is try to make it simple. It doesn't, you know, we watch all these wonderful food shows
Right.
and then we think we have to make a 7-course meal for every single, you know, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
No.
But keep it easy. And these breakfast options are definitely easy.
They're easy and they're make ahead.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with, this has become a favorite staple in our house is overnight oats. Like, this is our go-to right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oatmeal is one of my favorites. It's high in fiber. It fills you. You can mix it with a lot of things. Overnight oats usually have people add chia seeds,
Yes.
which is a way to incorporate some carbs with the oatmeal, some heart-healthy fat from the chia seeds, and then this is a peanut butter and jelly one, only because that's what I was in the mood for.
Well, yeah, and that's like one of the easiest because you really just throw everything in there at once,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Okay.
We have some Greek yogurt.
Yep.
For some protein, I used a milk substitute. So whatever kind of milk you'd like to use is fine.
Yeah.
I used a little maple syrup to sweeten it.
Perfect.
And then some peanut butter, strawberry. But really, think seasonally.
Yeah.
Like this time of year, the apples are coming in, pumpkin, everything.
Ooh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You can throw in some pumpkin puree and then like some cinnamon, nutmeg. Ooh, just like make it fun.
That could be dessert.
Yeah.
You know,
Also
put a little whipped
dessert.
cream on top.
My kids will have this for dessert.
I would do that for
Same.
sure. And literally, you do. I make them for the week. I make them on Sunday, and I just leave them in the fridge, and I separate the toppings, and you know,
Yep.
you pick and choose.
Perfect. We're coming to your
Awesome.
house.
You're always welcome to my house. You know that. But for people who like something a little more savory, this is for them, right?
So this is a spinach feta egg bite. I know, it's our favorite. You can see it was made in a muffin pan.
I want to eat it right now.
I know.
Okay.
And then I put hot sauce on it because that's how we like it.
'Cause you
but
got to.
what's nice is when you do this in a muffin tin, you can mix and match flavor. Like you don't have to make all feta and spinach. You can throw in peppers, you can throw in mushrooms, you can throw in cheddar cheese, whatever floats your boat, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And again, make ahead. You can even freeze these and make them all at once. And then I always say, use the freezer as your friend, batch cook, you know, cook once, eat many times.
Yeah, and you can make it. How much time can you give it? You make it and you put it in the freezer. I mean, it can
yeah.
last a month at least.
At least,
And
yeah.
then you just pop it in the microwave. Is that kind of what you do?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
Easy peasy.
Could not be easy. And that's just egg, spinach, and feta, and that's it. Do you put
Yes.
any milk or?
No, you could,
Okay.
but I don't.
Okay. Perfect. And how long you bake it?
So it depends. I usually tell people it's like 350 for like 20-ish minutes.
Okay. Perfect. And there you go. Sunday, it takes you maybe an hour
Yeah,
to get
for
this
both.
stuff done. Right. And then you've got options for everybody.
Yeah.
Love it, Grace. Oh, well,
Yum.
Happy Breakfast Day and National Cooking Day. That's, you know, one of our favorite days.
Yeah.
So we can throw these recipes. We'll put those on our website. You can find them there. And many thanks to the Mary Free Bed YMCA for letting us use this fabulous space. So there you go.